Guys, Largemouth TV here. This is the first video. I'm here with Aiden.
What's up, guys?
And we're gonna get rigged up. Now this is what I'm throwing. I'm throwing this swim bait. Ow, crap, just stuck me. That big like bluegill. Throwing a black and blue jig. And then this Senko. And then Aiden, tell him what you got rigged.
That's what I got going on. I got this little swim bait action, another swim bait, and then a little creature bait on a shaky head.
So that's what we got for tomorrow, guys. We're gonna head to bed and get some sleep. See you guys tomorrow morning, and hopefully we catch some fish. What's up, guys? It's about 8:59. We're about to go get on the water. So trying to give you guys a quick update. So see you guys when we get out on the water. What's up, guys? We're now fishing, and this is what I'm throwing today. Start off the day. What are you starting off the day with? Starting off with this live target swim bait. It's a good swim bait. All right, now we're just gonna be throwing swim baits along these banks. I don't know if you guys can see the action, but in the water. Hold on. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks pretty nice. So I'm gonna fish. And that sounded terrible, that reel. What's up, guys? We are just gonna be changing spots. We got a couple bites here, but couldn't actually hook up with one. So we're gonna go fish some like in this little cove that there's like, it's about 4 foot deep, and that's where we usually catch all our fish when we have tournaments here. So see you guys when we get to the next spot, and hopefully we catch some fish. I'm gonna be throwing this like pearl white colored Senko wacky rigged in this little cove, because that's usually what they eat, right? So hopefully we get, oh god, hopefully we get one. Something's busted or blowing up over there. That was a terrible cast. So first cast with the Senko. Wacky rig. Oh, it's a little late. What's my drag like? Oh, I thought I just got tangled up. You did? What are you using? Shaky head? Oh god, it sinks a lot faster than I thought. Look at it. Flying down.
I'm about to change it up to the jig on this. Because right down here is a good spot for the jig.
Oh, I thought I got one, dude. I was either stuck or I had one. Because there's no grass over there that a freaking jig could get caught in. Dang, I thought I had one. Okay, so there's been blow up after blow up, and so it's freaking basically winter out here. It was snowing. It's about 35 degrees out. They're just coming up to the top of the surface water and just blowing up on stuff. So we're trying to think that we hopefully catch something on top water, guys. But we'll have to see. What are you doing? No, dude, you're getting my GoPro soaked. I don't care. You're the only one that doesn't touch the weeds when you fish. You get scared. But yeah, we're at the top water. We're moving spots. We are moving spots now. Cause the top water, we just went down from what it was. So now we're gonna go throw our jigs over by a brush pile You guys can't see it, but we're gonna go throw jigs over by some structure. Not very much in this lake, but there's some little bits, so we're gonna throw that over there by it, and hopefully we catch some fish for you guys. Alright guys, I didn't even know he had one. He just reeled up, and then he's got a first fish. Decent one to start the day off. God, I didn't even know you had one. I wasn't even rolling.
I didn't even know I had one.
So, let's see. Do you think that one will eat this one bait?
Oh, he's eating craws. Holy frick.
Yeah, I'm gonna act like. Do you think I'll eat that? Oh, he'll bite. Oh God. All right, I'm throwing the jig.
He's eating
But
craws.
here, show it to the camera. Well, you got the first one of the day. We're sticking it in the live well just cause. Why not? Not that he's a giant or anything, but just
He's
mess
nice,
around.
nice.
Stick him in the live. Oh God, drop him in there. All right, one fish now. I'm changing up to the jig. I didn't even know you had one,
I
man.
didn't either.
All right, so
It's right off this little laydown.
so guys, I'm changing out to a jig. I'll be right back. He's got one, guys, and it's a. Oh my God, that's a huge. That's giant for this lake, guys. I just want to hold him. I just want to show him for the camera. That's probably one of the biggest ones. That's a big one right there, guys. What do you think he weighs? Dude, in the camera, it looks like a freaking giant. On a jig?
Oh my God, he's huge.
Yeah, look how fat he is. He's healthy. Look at him. Dude. Yeah, that's a good fish, guys.
Fat boy.
He is going in the well. Hopefully he doesn't eat the other one.
Oh, yeah. Barely hooked. Barely.
He was right here and he just goes, dude.
He swam right at me. I was like, oh, this is a tiny. Oh my God. This thing's big. When I mean big, guys.
Look at that trailer, how much bigger it is than the jig.
Oh God, that looks big.
Yeah, I'm taking that off. But yeah, guys. He got that nice one. He's gonna get a.
Craws. Look down there.
They are eating craw. Oh yeah, he's got something in his mouth. That's a crawl tail, or not crawl tail, crawl like limb. He's using some like creature color. While I'm using this creature color, this is black and blue. Oh God, is it even recording? Creature color, some black and blue.
209.
209.
209.
Nice. Guys, you gotta think that this pond doesn't have much giants in it. Well, that's a decent one. Oh my God, it looks like a freaking 10 on the camera. Where'd you catch him at?
Right here.
Just right in here?
Actually, literally right here.
So yeah, we're just gonna keep fishing jigs and
We're taking a picture of
we're
it
tired. You want a picture of it?
before we put them in the well.
So I'm gonna get him a picture and we'll be back fishing. Alright guys, we just got a little bit tangled up, but got it out. So now we are gonna keep fishing jigs. Right here. Can't feel my arms, my legs, anything.
I have a fish.
You do?
I forgot I was snag.
Oh, I didn't feel that at all when I was casting on my thumb. Guys, it's literally freezing out here. But we caught a decent one and then a nice one. So
Real nice one. She's sitting in there.
peel out a little bit so I can fish back there. Let's parallel it over to this part so I can fish. Alright guys, my battery's about to die and we're heading in, so I'm gonna recharge my battery and we're gonna eat breakfast and stuff and just chill up there and get warmed up, come back out, hopefully we catch some fish. So I'll see you guys when we get back from breakfast. What's up guys? We're coming back out after we just got done eating breakfast.
Dude, I'd shut the back when you
So,
get into the water.
now we're about to get back on the water on the boat, head out. So see you guys out on the water. What's up guys, we're heading back to the spot we ended with with all that structure that we caught those two last fish on. We're gonna see if we can catch more, so see you guys when we get to the spot. We're at the spot, first cast.
Actually, it's
Dime. And hopefully we'll hook up on some big ones today, like we did in the first
even
half.
bigger than Mary.
Dude, you know it's only like 11:30, if that.
Smoke. back there?
Oh, it's a burn pile. It's weird though.
Only 11:30.
Oh, I just guessed. Like when we went in, when I was getting my stuff, it was 10:48. So it's probably about 11:20. You got one? No.
Oh,
That did not sound good.
that sounded amazing. Get the net. Get
He's-
the net. Oh, he came off.
Oh, it came off. It was a giant. Well, that's a good sign though. Oh God, I got one. I had a backlash, guys. Backlash, got a fish.
Get the net out.
Don't need to know. Don't need to net
No,
him.
no, we need the net.
All right, net him then.
Net it.
He doesn't need netted. I just yanked him up. All right, guys. Well, that's a good sign.
Move.
He just missed a bite. I mean, I had a backlash, and then as soon as I reeled my backlash in, caught this little guy. But hey, fish is a fish. Oh, he's hooked good too. Well, it's first fish for me. So,
First fish for you.
little guy, they're eating the jigs. So let's get a release. There we go. That's good though. Let's keep fishing. I fished over there, threw it by that dock, and caught that one. So, see if I can get another one. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I was getting that backlash out. Had a fish on,
Oh, that cast.
but we're gonna work our way. Oh, there's one. Oh, it came off. He's off. Right. Flip back in there. It's a good sign. We're getting bites now, man. Oh, I just got hit again, man. I like when you fish and you know what they want now, and then you just know what they want. Alright, I'm gonna catch another one, guys, here in a second. Because they're biting it over here. Got one? No.
Oh, yeah, right in the heart of the tree. Did you see that?
Yeah. Is there a tree right here under us? I thought we just went on a tree. We're working our way back this little creek channel. We're probably not gonna go in the creek though. We're just gonna see if there's anything outside of it. Like that boy right there. Yep. Here we go, baby. There we go. I said we're gonna go back in this creek and hopefully get some like that boy right there. Oh God. Oh, he's off. Oh God. Stop moving. Stop moving. Ow. No. Well, that's a fish though. Hit the boat, so